best way I can. People make mistakes. Everybody makes mistakes. Sometimes you make a mistake because you're ignorant. You don't know any better. But that doesn't change the fact that your mistake might have hurt someone. It's okay to say, I'm sorry, I hurt you. What is not okay is for people to act like human beings have got no capacity for bad things or for mistakes. You can make them. I make mistakes. You make mistakes. Everybody makes mistakes. It's okay to make mistakes. But there is no one who's holy. There's no one who's 100% good. I did not come into this world to make someone else's life bad or to make anyone else's life bitter, But what I have learned over the years is that it is your responsibility to take care of you and to confront the things that bother you, If they made a mistake, it's okay. But it does not mean that their mistake means you must keep quiet about it forever, And I'm really sorry for what has happened to the whole situation. But the reality is no one is perfect and everybody makes mistakes. Stop acting like there's one person who is outrageous. Only God is good. I don't know if you do funny things in the dark. I don't know that.
We all do.
We all do.
We all do.
And it's so sad that sometimes the things that you do hurt other people. But those people should not be punished for speaking out about those things. And that's not to say that you're a bad person. That's not to say that you're an evil person either. But it is to say that you made a mistake. I think you become evil and you become bad when you don't own up to it and you don't accept that your actions hurt someone, whether you were in a state where you were not able to control yourself or whether you're in a state where you don't remember something. That's okay. But I don't think it's warranted for people to be silenced because somebody slipped up once.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Isinga ladies, I'm finally apologize to Usjava accuser of a rape back in 2020. Sekuthi liqala leli obelishisa tikhotha lobe kwenda abantu bakhansele Usjava almost oyimosheke career yaSjava, like bese kuseli kancane ukuthi akuphele angasijava. So abantu abaningi they started defending uSjava, basho ukuthi way it doesn't make sense, or it really doesn't make sense. Le story lesi nje sinema loopholes lamaningi ngendlela lesimanga. Wema uleli zama historian sakhe washo nje ukuthi ayiqala ukuvele kwendekile and I'm not backing off, ngeke ngize ngithuswe bantu. Uleli zama bekaphila in fear for years guys. Ngisha posta ama video or ma picture for social media, people will always say ukuthi wena you almost ruined a career ayabudwethu uSjava. Always guys, maka posta even till today, maka posta something uSjava ngisho lo ladies zama ngisho TikTok, or people will always drag her, like always. I'm sure girl doesn't even read my comments again because always kuhlala kuphuma ubani labamine lapha kuma comment sections akhe bancane kakhulu bantu labamdefenda kokuledi zama. Most people they are dragging her ukuthi wena you almost ruined a career yaSjava wena. So after years ke Sanu girl decided to apologize to uSjava ku podcast saying ukuthi wonke umuntu uyawenda ama mistakes, wonke umuntu uyawenda ama mistakes, akekho umuntu longawendi maphutha. Some saying ukuthi finally uze uyaqolisa, but some saying ukuthi girl after so long why qolisa manje, what happened? Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.